What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping in to Funhouse RC. Today we're talking about the Notorious. It's making a crazy clicking sound when it's under load. Watch this. Oh, it's so loud. Time has come. We're gonna tear into this thing and see what the heck is going on inside there. By the way, guys, you might see my X-Max beside this thing here. It's also taken apart right now. But I think that I've almost got all the quirks worked out of this thing. And I figured everything out why I was having so many problems. So this thing is going to be coming soon, but that's for a different video. You know what to do so you don't miss that video. Subscribe!
All right, let's get wrenching. If you guys want a more in-depth, step-by-step video on how to get down to your diff, please let me know in the comments, and I will make one as soon as I can.
Alright guys, well I'm pretty confused here because look at all the metal shavings and all are in there. That doesn't look good. Metal shavings on the upper bulkhead as well. But I can't see anything wrong with this ring gear. It looks good. I don't see a single spot. Bearings are good. Operating how it should be. All right, guys. So I've taken this thing apart a few different times now with trying to fix it. And I believe that this is the issue. This output shaft. See how the teeth seem to be rounded off there? I think that that's the issue. So we got another one here. And we have a couple shims that we're putting on this one with it. So hopefully that is gonna help with the cogging issue too. See how they're back in behind there? Just like that. That's what you want. So before I had play here. Now I have none because of those shims. I think that's gonna do the trick. Alright guys, so this is where that other shim is right here on the outside of your bearing. So that is pushing towards the output shaft, and the other shims are pushing the output shaft towards the ring gear on the diff, locking that and making it nice and snug. Ugh. Seriously, why? Why does that stuff happen? Well, that was a lucky save. I managed to get that out. Now I just have to find a bolt that's gonna work in there though. Yeah. Something I don't know. Oh. Shut your lips. Yeah, boy. Sweet. Let's test it out. Let's open it up again. Well, I don't know. I'm super confused. The ring gear must be rounded off and I just can't see it. But I am seeing this. It's like it was gouging out of my diff. So I wonder if that was being pushed too far. I don't know, ARRMA experts. Let me know in the comments. Well, guys, my gearing inside my diff looks all good. There's no flakes in there or nothing. But I am wondering what happened here. Definitely wondering what happened with this, though. How it got gouged out. What did I do wrong there, I wonder? Anyways, guys, at this point, I'm just gonna get a new diff. Because I've taken this thing apart, put it back together, I don't know how many friggin' times now. And it keeps doing the same thing, so this thing must be toast. Anyways, guys, when I get the new diff for this thing, I will do another video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow along and help me get this solved. Anyways, guys, for me, I believe that my ring gear was actually toast beforehand as well. I just didn't know that. Like I said, I'm still learning ARRMA belong for the new diff install. I don't know which one I'm going to go with yet, but hey, if you got ideas, throw them down in the comment section. All right, guys. Peace.